What is up guys, Raph here, back with another video, and today, or actually it's not here, and today, let me just get my, and today guys, we are going to be playing Plants vs Zombies, and I'm so excited, but, we're gonna start off with the fake version, but we are going to be getting the full version soon. I kind of already know how to play, but yeah, I will be doing the second one on my channel. Don't worry, don't let the zombies reach your house. I know I play the second version on my phone. So I guess that's pretty cool. And it may not look like it, but you know, oh my god, why it normally just goes up now in like full version. But then of course we don't have sunflower yet, so we don't get sun as easily as we would. I think it's the only way we defeat a zombie. Well, hey, we get sunflower! Woohoo! Yeah, sunflower is like gives you additional sun. Next level, please. Like, give me that next level. Just give me the next level. And now we get 3. So yeah, we're gonna be starting off with the sunflower because sunflower are extremely important plant. Plant at least 3 of them. Okay, whatever you say, big guy. But yeah, I've got 3 sunflowers. Right off the bat. Now I've got a zombie coming. Put him in that lane, boy. But yeah, I do like the second version, like, more because it's more realistic. But then of course you kind of have to expect that with first versions, they're not the best. But then of course, it's the first version, so like, what really are you expecting? I might do another column of sunflowers. Could be cool for like, while sunflower does she like, what sunflower does she like give you sun? She also like gives you plant, like she also shoots lasers, but yeah, it's just going pretty well. And I think I might do another row of pea shooters. Like, get it out there. Get those pea shooters out there, boy. Get all of these guys. A huge witch of zombies is approaching. Okay, I see it now, okay, let's do this, boy. Just gonna collect all of this sun. The only good thing about Plants vs Zombies 2 is that you can get plant food. But then yet again, we're playing the first one. Oh cool, we got Cherry Bomb. We got Cherry Bomb, y'all. And blows up, Cherry Bomb blows up all zombies in an area. So I guess now, yep, we have Conehead zombies. Now we have a full party. Dun, 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 dun. And they cost a bit more than pea shooter. They cost 150 sun. That is a bit expensive, but you know, can't get everything you own, Ray. Come on, get me more sun. Give me more sun. Aha. Yeah, that's right. You get pea shoots, boy. But yeah, I have to end this video quite soon because my recording lets me go to, like, you know, a certain amount of time. But yeah, I really like Cherry Bomb. Give me more sun. Put a pea shooter there. Get him like that, boy. Give me more of those pea shooters. Give me more of those pea shooters. Give me more and more of those pea shooters. But yeah, at the moment, it's going pretty well. Now I'm going to save for the Cherry Bomb. And like, save a cat. Okay, here is when we need the Cherry Bomb. Okay. Okay, it's going pretty cool. Get wrecked. Howie! Get wrecked. I might actually, no, I won't put another column. Give me what? Give me that sun, boy. Give me all of that sun. Give me all of that sun. Come on. Quickly before he gets it. Quickly. I'm so gonna die. This piece is so gonna die. Okay, he lost an arm. Come on, Cherry Bomb, load. Okay, we got him. Hey, pea shooter. Gonna make this a little easier for you. Gonna make that a little easier for you. The only bad thing about Cherry Bomb, it takes forever to load. It takes forever to recharge, I should say. But I've got loads of sun, so I don't really need to worry, actually. I might put another pea shooter down here. Get him done quicker. That's right, get double pea shooter, boy. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Oh my god, a huge wave? You didn't prepare me for a huge wave. You just, I didn't know that was going to be a huge wave. I mean, you didn't tell me anything, so I just assumed that it wasn't going to be a big wave. Aha. Get burned. And we unlocked Walnut! Woohoo! And blocks with zombies and protects your other plants. Okay. We're doing good so far. Oh yeah, now it's a full house. We're doing so good, guys. Like, give me all of your money. Of course, Walnut does take a little bit of time to load, but I guess that's Walnut. But yeah, might as well do this quickly. Put pea shooter there. We need more sunflower. Might put a walnut there, just to fend him off. Put another sunflower there. Can we do? What can we do? Let's put a pea shooter there. I might do like a whole lane of walnuts. Put you there. If I do it like that, you can like see everywhere, but now I'm going to keep it like this. It's easier. Okay, I just need a pea shooter in that way and a pea shooter in that way. How hard can it be? Very hard, in a matter of fact. Okay. Put a pea shooter there. And then when walnut's all loaded, we'll put one there. So, we don't need to worry about him not getting to us. Okay, walnut's nearly loaded. Okay, let's put it there because the cone head's there. Probably end this video in about 4 minutes. Put another pea shooter there, so that cone head will go quite twice as fast. Pretty cool. It's going pretty well. Just need to put a walnut. Put a walnut there. I might just need another pea shooter there. And then once walnut has loaded, we'll be able to block off this dude. Actually, no, he's already blocked off. I don't know why I said that. Boom! Oh god, now it'll huge waves of zombies. Now it tells me. Get rid of you, cooker. Don't eat my walnut. He's my baby. My baby. He's my walnut. These zombies will never get to us because, like, I mean, come on. Why would they get to us? I mean, like, if these guys don't go quick enough, then I'll put one there because you're being so slow. Don't eat my walnut. He's my baby. Okay, we've got a shovel. So in the mood for a shovel. What does a shovel do? Lets you dig up a plant to make room for another plant. Oh, here's Crazy Dave. Greetings, neighbour. The name is Crazy Dave, but you can still just call me Crazy Dave. Listen, I got a surprise for you, but first I need you to clear your lawn. Use your shovel and dig up those plants. Let the digging commence. Okay, goody. Now for the surprise. We are going bowling. Here, take this walnut. Why'd I put a walnut in your hand? Because I'm crazy. Now go, bowl me a winner. What did he just say? Like, seriously? Oh, okay, wait. Place walnut to the left of the bowling line. Let's have a bowling marathon. Exploding it. Oh, okay. There. Put you there, exploding up. Okay, we're getting a lot of people here. I don't know how we can do this level. Someone tell me. Actually, we'll just use this exploding up. Boom. Die. Oh, double marathon. Get wrecked. Now go on to that guy. Now go back here. Dunk-a-dunk-a-dunk-a-dunk. This is so hard, you know. I don't really want to do this. This is becoming really hard. Give me an exploding nut. Near. Okay, you're getting in near here, so if I go you here. Oh, put it in the wrong lane. Put you here. And now Q of zombies is approaching. Okay, got you out of the way. Got you out of the way. Now you're dead. Put you there. Put you there. Put you there. Put you there. Oh god, you're close. Give me an exploding nut. There. Aha! Boom! Give me a walnut. And we unlock squash! I must assume myself, guys. But that is going to be the end of this video, so please give me a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.